Find the 4 screw holes of the front grille and unscrew them. After removing all the screws, be careful that the front grille may slide off. Remove the front grille. Find the corresponding circuit. First, loosen the protective cover. Then take a tool like pliers to help you better untie the wiring port. After removing all the wires, push the switch button from the inside of the cover grille to remove the switch bottom. Prepare a new switch button. Pay attention to the direction of the button. Align the edge with the bayonet on the top. Push it hard into the hole, and complete the replacement. Then connect each line in turn. Install the front grille and tighten the screws. After all edges are aligned, tighten the screws to complete the installation. Turn on the main switch button and the light bar switch in turn to check whether all the circuits are installed correctly.